Are you having issues with your laptop going to sleep? Is your newborn constantly in need of attention? Irritable Mouse is designed, developed, and crafted in South Africa. We've developed an instructional video demonstrating the device's ease of use. This video illustrates the simple operation of the product, aiming to encourage viewers to consider purchasing it from our website, irritablemouse.com or takealot.com. Once unboxed, the included USB Type-C cable can be plugged into the back of the mouse. The USB Type-A side can then be plugged into the USB port of your laptop or desktop. The button at the back of the mouse starts the device. When pressed, it turns on a blue light on the mouse. Sit back and enjoy whilst the mouse dances across the screen with no movement of the keypad or mouse needed, keeping you online and allowing you to attend to the most pertinent issues. The mouse can be easily deactivated by a simple click of a button on the back of the mouse. Please visit us at irritablemouse.com to purchase. Thanks for watching, and included is a discount code to use on the web store. We hope to soon be dancing across your screen.